Welcome to another episode in the PowerShell output series. Today, we're diving into Write-Verbose, a powerful cmdlet for adding debug information output to your scripts. This tool is essential for troubleshooting and understanding what's happening behind the scenes in your PowerShell functions and scripts. Write-Verbose is a PowerShell cmdlet that displays detailed messages about script operations. It helps developers and administrators track execution flow and debug issues effectively. Think of it as a way to add informative comments that only appear when you need them, making it perfect for understanding what your script is doing at each step without cluttering your normal output. Write-Verbose has 4 key characteristics that make it incredibly useful. First, it offers optional display, meaning messages only show when you use the -verbose flag. Second, it's non-disruptive and doesn't affect your script's execution flow. Third, it displays output in yellow text by default, making it easy to distinguish from regular output. And fourth, it's a perfect debug helper for troubleshooting scripts when things don't work as expected. The syntax for Write-Verbose is beautifully simple. You just type Write-Verbose followed by your message in quotes. That's all there is to it. The message can be any string you want to display, whether it's a simple status update or detailed information about what your script is currently processing. Let's look at a practical example. Here we have a function called getProcessInfo. Inside the function, we use Write-Verbose to announce we're starting the process check. Then we retrieve all processes and store them in a variable. Next, we use Write-Verbose again to show how many processes were found by embedding the count directly in the message. Finally, we return the processes. This gives us visibility into what the function is doing at each step. To actually see these verbose messages, you need to call your function with the -verbose flag. Without this flag, all your Write-Verbose messages remain hidden and won't appear in the output. This is what makes Write-Verbose so powerful. Your debugging messages are always there in the code, but they only show up when you explicitly request them by adding -verbose to your function call. Here are 4 best practices for using Write-Verbose effectively. First, place verbose messages at key checkpoints in your script, such as before and after major operations. Second, use descriptive messages that clearly explain what's happening at that point in execution. Third, include variable values to track how data changes throughout your script. And fourth, don't overuse it. Keep your messages meaningful and concise. Too many verbose messages can be just as confusing as having none at all. Here's the key takeaway. Use Write-Verbose to add invisible debug messages that only appear when needed. This approach makes your scripts significantly easier to troubleshoot without cluttering normal output. It's like having a detailed logbook that you can turn on and off at will. Master this cmdlet, and you'll save yourself countless hours of debugging time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video of the PowerShell output series.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.